My box is yours, my liege. Babushka! Ooh. Make it stop! Excellent choice. Good choice. Use that every time. I'm dying! Oh. Help me! Choose something else. Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. I live in a box. Thanks, sunshine. Refreshingly sweet. Water, water everywhere. Oh, water everywhere. Blah. Ooh, nice fingers you got there. I wish it would last forever. Fetch me some coffee, please. You know of any puppet modeling agencies? You might want to put that back. Steamboat Willie. I don't get it. Mind if I catch a nap here? Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. Enough! No, not that. What on earth do I deserve that for? Ah! The end is here! That's not right. Catastrophe! Nothing is safe! No, not that. Well, looks like it's doomsday. Oh, I'm doomed! There goes the sequel. It's the end of the world as we know it. I feel the earth move under my feet. And I give you what? No. It's the end of the world as we know it. That's not good. Armageddon! Mayday, mayday! Stop, drop, and roll! Even if that! I'm burning! There's nothing sacred. Want to trade places? I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright? That's my world. Be careful, it's quite an old box. Hey, take your time. Mama told me not to come. Can you turn me toward the TV? Put that back. Yeah, just put it back. So... I don't know it. Probably want a cracker. I live in a box. Cows and dams. I'm a pirate. Arr, just kidding. I am wrapped in darkness. Hey, it's lonely in here. Ooh, do you know anyone famous? My God, why? Oh, Siri, call the ambulance. No. Well. Boring. Hey, No. Buddy, angry. Siri, please here, hospital. Time out.
Destroy all buddies.
I want to put that back. Pay attention to me. No, not that. Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? Don't get my box wet. Babushka! Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. You got anything I can read for a few minutes? No, not that. I wish it would last forever. Oh, the phone's steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. Ooh, nice fingers you got there. Oh, excuse me. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? Want to trade places? I'm gonna go play a couple of your other iPhone games if that's okay. Be careful, it's quite an old box. Ooh, I almost like that. Choose something else. Just call me Indiana. Dun, 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 dun. I'm out. Oh, pardon me. Matryoshka. Read the directions. That's not right. Nothing is safe. I don't get it. Ouch! Mama told me not to come. I don't see the basement in the Alamo.